Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an unending supply of motivation? Motivation is that magical elixir that powers our dreams and fuels our aspirations. It's the driving force that helps us overcome life's hurdles. Yet many of us grapple with maintaining a steady stream of motivation. It's a common challenge, isn't it? Let's understand it a bit more. Motivation can be intrinsic, coming from within, or extrinsic, driven by external factors. But the question remains, how do we keep this fire of motivation burning? There are a few strategies that can help us stay motivated. Firstly, setting clear and achievable goals is a powerful motivator. It's like being given a map with a marked destination. You know where you're going and you can chart your progress along the way. It's the difference between wandering aimlessly and marching purposefully towards your target. Secondly, celebrating small wins is crucial. Each victory, no matter how small, is a step towards your ultimate goal. It's like building a brick wall, one brick at a time. Each brick is a small win, and before long you'll see a robust structure taking shape. So, relish those small victories. They are proof that you're making progress. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. A positive environment and supportive people can do wonders for your motivation levels. They can uplift you, inspire you, and give you the strength to keep going even when the going gets tough. Each of these strategies plays a significant role in maintaining our motivation levels. So, what have we learned today about staying motivated? We've unraveled the essence of motivation, understood the importance of setting clear, achievable goals, and recognized the power of celebrating small victories. We've also emphasized the significance of immersing ourselves in positivity. These aren't just strategies, they're the keys to perpetual motivation. Remember, motivation is not a destination, but a journey. Keep moving, keep celebrating, and keep surrounding yourself with positivity. And remember to keep your goals clear and in sight.